Day trading is about to get a lot easier for beginners. The pattern day trading rule is about to be removed. FINRA requested comments on this matter in October of 2024, yet we all missed it. Now you might be asking lottery stocks, why is this coming up again? You made a video about it 2 months ago when it was introduced. That is because FINRA just approved of it. Now, what does this mean for the average investor and how is it going to affect markets? First, higher average trading volume. If you sell something to me, that is going to show up as one out of the millions of volumes on a specific ticker throughout the day. Now, here's why this matters. A lot of the trading volume from retail investors could show up in meme stocks or short squeeze plays, which makes short squeezes a lot more prone in these markets. But also OTC markets, which are less regulated markets, a lot more retail is going to be trading over there. Now there's a long list of lines that connect, that affect everything, and one of them is payment for order flow. A lot of retail investors go through brokers that use what's called payment for order flow, like Webull, Moomoo, Robinhood. They all use it, and basically market makers take your orders and they route them basically where they want, and in exchange the brokers and the market makers basically have a deal. Now the more volume that these market makers get to handle in payment for order flow, the more money that these market makers actually get. Now, the more intraday volume, which is going to occur after the pattern day trading rule is taken away, occurs, the more average day trading volume that occurs in these markets are going to cause an average higher churn, which are going to make spreads a lot larger for market makers, which essentially make market makers profit, which essentially makes market makers profit double because higher payment for order flow, higher churn, higher spreads, and overall it's just good for market makers like Citadel, Virtu. Now, if you're a new investor and you probably don't know what I'm talking about or care about that, but make sure to hit that subscribe button if you want to learn more. But ultimately, here's what stocks will technically benefit off rip or within the first few months. Robinhood, ticker symbol HOOD, they are going to get more retail investors on their platform, more money through payment for order flow, more everything. Webull, ticker symbol BULL. The list goes on and on for these brokers. Moomoo, ticker symbol FUTU, FUTU. But also short squeeze plays and or meme stocks, if investors are positioned in those will likely benefit as well. Now, new traders are gonna enter these markets and they're basically gonna get slapped.
Hey, Mark, that's what he's doing. Here we go. That's it.
And then they're gonna put more money into the markets and then they're gonna get slapped.
Here we go.
Then those people who are getting slapped are going to be getting slapped by you, who is a good investor, who's probably in my Discord server. So it essentially means more money for you. Now guys, don't get ahead of yourself. FINRA is still going to monitor exposure, so they're not just removing the rule completely. And when is the rule actually going into effect? We'll talk about that in 1 second. Brokers, as well as FINRA, still take a look at your exposure. Even though the 25K rule is thrown out the window, FINRA, as well as brokers, are still going to look at your trade, which is right here, and they are basically going to say, hey, you need to meet these margin requirements in order to take that trade. Now, the margin requirement isn't 25K, but it will be a requirement that is outside of that threshold that looks at how risky the security is that you're trading, which you'll still likely be fine as long as you have some extra change in your account. So it's not unlimited freedom. But it's kind of close. Now, people who ask about margin account and cash account, you'll likely need a margin account for this to even be beneficial to you, because I don't believe you're going to be able to trade anyway. You'll probably fall under the same scenario that you fell under with the 25K account, where cash accounts will say, hey, you still need settled cash. You're not going to get hit with the day trading rule, but your cash needs to be settled. So if you are an average trader or a small trader, you're probably taking huge positions or swings that are a large capital of your account, and you're probably risking it all or risking 70% of it or something along the lines of that. And you're probably gonna need to be on margin to buy, then sell, buy, then sell, buy, then sell, buy, then sell in the same day, right? Now, guys, the unfortunate reality of all of this is that the SEC barely does their job, and when they do, they take absolutely forever to do it. So we may not see this rule actually pass until late 2026. Maybe it happens sooner. Give them the benefit of the doubt. but ultimately we have quite a while before this could possibly take effect. Now, I really hope you've taken something out of this video, and if you want to support me, it's completely free. Make sure to hit that like button. But I also have a Discord server with a ton of AI alerts that send out high success trading signals on the daily basis, as well as give you dark pool alerts, insider trade alerts, option sweep orders, market news, analyst upgrades, and plenty more, in which if you were to pay for all of this, it would cost you hundreds and hundreds of dollars a month. But the Discord is only $19.99 a month, where you can also see the trades that I take, and I'm in there on the daily talking stocks and crypto with everybody. We have the most amazing family in there. There are no bad questions, whether you just began trading or you're an advanced trader. So make sure to come try it out. Come talk stocks and crypto with us and upgrade your trading journey. It's time to start taking it seriously. And yes, feel free to click off the video, but most importantly, I wanted to state that I used to never enjoy getting into Discord servers. I always thought it was a scam to sign up for someone's Patreon or their Discord server, until I created my own and realized it's just a big group chat of humble investors and traders who are trying to escape the 99% that the system is designed to trap you in. So as always, just like what my channel is about, join us on this journey to financial freedom. That is the top link in the description of the video. To close out, I want to know everyone's thoughts on the PDT rule removal. I assume most of you guys want it gone. And if that is the case, trust me, I know it's very hard to grow a small account, but I can help you do that. You just need to have two things done. Obviously, one is the Discord, so we can be able to talk to each other. But the second thing is just patience. You don't need to take a trade every single day, and we will be dropping trade setups in there, as well as trades that I end up taking. So as the PDT rule is a pain and may take a year to be removed, we could get your account to that threshold before then. Again, nothing's a guarantee. You can lose all your money, and I don't assume that you're gonna follow me. I don't give financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I just assume this is paper trading, and we're just sharing our opinions with each other. As always, thank you guys for watching. I love you all. God bless. Lottery Stocks out.